Magnetic chrome powder from SHEIN. Is this a hit or a miss? Stay tuned and let's find out if I like this or not. What is a magnetic chrome? These powders can be used one of two different ways. All of these I got off of SHEIN. I did have to repackage these because the packaging kind of failed. If I have links for these, they will be in the description box below. So you can use these one of two different ways. You can use these as a chrome powder straight up, or you can use these as a magnetic or cat eye polish. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use these as a cat eye or magnetic, however you would like to call this. These are the magnets that I have. So I have this barb magnet over here. I bought this one off of SHEIN. I have these two right here. These have been with me for a while. I think I got these off of AliExpress, and they're from the company Born Pretty. So that's these two. And then I also have this barb magnet right over here. I don't remember where I got this one, but it wasn't from SHEIN or AliExpress or Amazon. I don't remember. If I do remember, or if I find links for anything, as I said, they'll be in the description box below. I have 3 different nails prepped up with my black gel polish, and that is from Magic Gel in the color Carbon Black. And the top coat that I'm going to use to mix these chrome powders with is also from Magic Gel, and that is the Tactless Hyper Shine top coat. I've tried this off camera, so what you want to do is you need to make sure you have enough of product to cover the whole nail. And I find that it's easier to mix this when I have the client in front of me instead of having it already mixed together. I'm going to start off with this one. And you need a decent amount of chrome of powder per gel you were using. I find that I like a top coat better than anything else versus like a base coat or a builder in a bottle. But test this out for yourself. So I'm going to take maybe something like this. If I need more, then I'll mix more in there. And just mix these 2 colors together. Now, as a general color, that's actually really nice. It's more like the muted side with purple. More of like a mauve toned purple. Okay. Now that I've made a mess everywhere, we're going to apply this on the nail. Now we're going to try the magnetic part. I'm going to use this one first. And let's see how well this works. Okay, it is working a little bit, but it's not... Like, I have to hold this really close in order for that to work. Like, just waving it this way, it's not picking up. Oh, I have fuzzies in here. Let's drag this back over. And let's try one of my other magnets. Yeah, see, it's only working a tiny bit. So right now, I would count this as a, not really so much a fail and definitely not a pass. But that's as best as I can get right now. I'm going to cure this in the lamp and then we'll try the other 2. Number 2, this is what it is. And that is the color. So by itself, because I've swatched these as a chrome, by themselves they actually look really nice, especially this green one. Let's go back in with some top coat. This time I'm going to try more top coat than I had. Maybe I didn't have enough gel per product ratio. And let's mix this up. This is a nice, like, forest green color. Okay. I'm going to do a little bit more clear. I want to make sure I have enough color number 2. So far, by mixing it more, like more gel with the powder, the coverage is coming out a lot better. Let's give these a try again. Let's try this. Wow. Now this is working a tiny bit. I don't know if you can see it, but it is moving like slowly. See that? It did work a little bit better this time around. It did work better this time around, but I don't like how the cat eye, like, I'm not sure if I like this versus like a traditional like cat eye magnetic gel polish that everything is, you know, mixed there for you. And I find that you have to hold the magnet really pretty close in order for this to work. That's the part because I've used cat eye gel polish before, and you usually don't have to hold a magnet this close. And last but not least, color number 3 is a royal blue. And that's what it looks like. Ooh, this blue is nice. So let's give this a try. The coverage is just as nice as the green one I showed. The first one, which was a purple, I didn't like the coverage, and maybe I wasn't like mixing it right, or it could just be the powder. Okay. Let's go in with this magnet again, and let's see how well. This one is definitely working better, but I accidentally touched the magnet to the gel mixture. I do notice that this one so far is working better with the cat eye, but I don't know if I'm having trouble with this. Like, is this just a me thing? Yeah. Let's try this one more time. And then I'll give everyone my final thoughts at the end. Okay. Now, after everything is done, I will say, are these powders a hit or a miss? As a cat eye / like magnetic powder, these are a miss. As you can see, I did have trouble working with these. I'm not sure if it was because I didn't get enough powder to gel ratio done correctly. Also, on top of that, the magnets weren't really working that well with these. I would say I would rather stick to a traditional cat eye or magnetic gel polish that's already mixed for you, so you don't have to go through all of this. As chrome powders, I would say these would probably work out a lot better. I don't have them swatched out as chrome powders. Apparently I lost the swatches. So I would say I would rather use these as a chrome powder versus a magnetic or a cat eye. I hope that helps. Everything I used in this video will be listed in the description box below. If I can find a link for these off of SHEIN, as well as any of the magnets that I used, I will also be putting that in the description box below, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye!